In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Vimeo in Framer. First, open your Framer project so you're looking at the canvas where you want the video to live. We'll begin by adding the video component from Framer's built-in library. Click Insert to open the Components panel, then head to the Media category. This is where Framer groups all image, video, and audio elements you can drop onto the canvas. From Media, choose the Vimeo option. Framer will place a Vimeo video component on your page. If it lands in an unexpected spot, no worries. You can select it on the canvas and move it where you want. With the video selected, look to the right-hand sidebar. The Position section helps you anchor the video inside its parent frame or section, align it left or right, or pin it to the center. If you're designing a responsive layout, this is the best place to set constraints so it behaves correctly across breakpoints. Next, adjust the size controls. You can type an exact width and height, or set it to fill its container. If you're aiming for a true video feel, consider locking an aspect ratio so it doesn't warp when the page resizes. Jump down to Styles to fine-tune the look. Things like corner radius, shadows, or a subtle border can help the video blend with your brand. If the video needs to sit above other elements, use overlays or layer order so it displays cleanly without being hidden. Now, take a quick pass through interactions. This is where you can connect behaviors, like tapping a custom play button, to the Vimeo component. Even if you don't need complex actions, it's smart to confirm the default hover and click behavior works as you expect. If your page includes long scrolling content, place the video inside the correct scroll section so it appears in the right part of the flow and doesn't overlap other sections. If your project uses custom logic, open code overrides to confirm there's no override attached that might pause, mute, or otherwise control the video unexpectedly. If you're not using overrides, you can simply verify this panel is clear and move on. When you're happy with placement and styling, it's time to ship. Click Publish to generate an updated version of your site, then click Update to push the latest changes live. After publishing, give the page a quick test. Resize the browser to check responsiveness, scroll the page to confirm the video sits in the correct section, and interact with it to make sure playback feels smooth. That's it. You've successfully added Vimeo in Framer and set it up for a polished, responsive experience.